My name's Amy from Vanlux, and today I'm going to be taking you through this vehicle. If you do have any questions following on from the video, please don't hesitate to give us a call on the number shown above, and our salesman will be more than happy to go through those with you. Today we have the 2018 Mercedes-Benz V-Class Marco Polo. This is a long wheelbase vehicle. It has done just over 60,000 miles with an automatic transmission and a diesel fuel type. As we step inside, we can see our first double bed. As we'll be able to see from the pictures, this transforms into 3 belted seats, making this camper 5 belts, 4 berths. To the left of our steering wheel, we have cruise control as a feature. To the right, we have voice control and automatic headlights. Using the buttons just below, we can get quick access to navigation, radio, media, smartphone integration, and our vehicle settings. To put the vehicle into reverse, we can see that it comes with a parking camera with parking sensors. And if we pan the camera around, we can get a good view of our pop top. Thank you for watching the video. Our opening hours are Monday to Friday 9 till 6, Saturday 9 till 5 and Sunday 10 till 4. I'll also be displaying our contact details on the screen for you now.